This filter is a self-cleaning filter. What does self-cleaning means is, typically the entire dirt is getting dropped separately and the clean water is coming out. There is absolutely no maintenance, and any household can easily service it. You can open it, and when you open it, you have a wire mesh filter inside. So this is the stainless steel, which is rust free. You won't get rust ever. You can just clean it once, twice, thrice in a year. More times you clean, more efficient the filter is, but not more than maybe once in a month kind of thing, and then you can put it back. That's why we call it is maintenance free and highly efficient, this filter.